Alright, so since we missed Vlogmas day 4, we're just going to turn today into a review day, alright? If you checked out my last video from Cetaphil, if you haven't, I'll leave it above down below. How I told you guys, like I'm trying out unscented lotions, and I want to do more like drugstore lotions and all that, and just see which ones actually work for me, which ones I liked. So if you didn't see my last review on Cetaphil, I'll leave it above down below. Go check it out on my thoughts, my opinions, how it worked for me, and all of that. But today's review, we're going to be talking about the roche-posay, if that's how you say this. Now, this of course is another unscented body lotion. This is for extra dry skin, body and face. It is a triple repair moisturizing cream. It has lipids replenishing up to 48 hours hydration, suitable for babies and adults. It has, of course, shea butter, niacinamide, ceramides, dermatology tested, and of course it is fragrance free. Okay, now this retails for about $19.99, $20. I went to Ulta to look for it. They didn't have it. You can also find it at CVS, but I purchased mine off of Amazon, so I will leave a few links down below. You guys can go and get your hands on this just in case they don't have it like in one spot, which online you may be able to find them all, you know, online, but in store it seemed like I didn't have much luck, so I just got it online. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get into this product. So also too, another thing that I'm looking for is paraben free. When I'm looking for my lotions, you guys know I am a paraben free girl. If it can be paraben free as much as possible, I'm gonna grab it, because you guys know parabens, they do disturb the hormones, and so you want to be mindful of what you are using. So this one is paraben free as well. So comes in a pump like this, and let me just show you guys what consistency looks like. That's a lot. Didn't mean to put that much, but this is what it looks like. It is very thick, a very thick cream. I don't even think this is a lotion. Oh, it is a cream. Definitely not a lotion. This is a cream. It is very thick in texture. It smells, you guys ever smell like what's that cream called? Tang, what is that cream called? You guys ever, the cream you put on your face that starts with an H? I used to use hydrocortisone. I used to use it when I was a kid. It kind of smells like that, which I don't mind because it's not like, it dissipates really well. So the scent of it, I don't mind. The cream of it, the consistency of it is really moisturizing. But it's like a, how can I explain it? It's like a, it's not overly greasy or anything. It doesn't, it's just like a regular cream. It's not overly greasy. It's very moisturizing. You can feel the actual moisture in the product as you are, like, you know, rubbing it into your skin. It leaves you very well hydrated. And yeah, you don't smell anything when you put it on. It doesn't have any weird smells to it, none of that stuff. So let's get into my thoughts on this cream, because I have been using it for quite some time now. Let's get into what I do like. Let me not jump into what I don't like. Let's get into what I do like. I do like the thickness of this product. I do like the fact it doesn't have any weird smells. It's actually a fragrance-free product. I do like the fact that it's very moisturizing. It glides onto the skin very well. It absorbs pretty well. I like all that, right? But it has this weird texture on the skin. Not necessarily sticky. I would say it can have a little bit of tackiness to it, but it doesn't stay long. Like the last lotion that I used, it really doesn't stay long. But it does this weird thing. Like, actually, after it sits on the skin, I've noticed that my skin doesn't feel so much as moisturized. It feels squeaky. Like, it feels squeaky. Like, I don't know how to explain it. And so I'm not too sure if that's something that, I don't know if that's like a deal breaker for me, because my skin isn't dry afterwards. It isn't itchy. It isn't sticky. It's a little sticky, but then it goes away. And so those are like my key things. It's like stickiness, itchiness, and weird smell. And it doesn't have any of that. but it's just like a dry moisturizer, if you know what I mean. Like, it doesn't dry like super, like where your skin is buttery. It dries pretty like dry. I don't dislike it, but I'm not gonna say like it's like, oh my gosh, I need to go out and buy another bottle. Roche-posay is a very popular brand. I've seen a lot of reviews on this lotion and their other products as well, but I just don't think it's 100% for me. And lately, I have been pairing it with this Cocoa Body Gel, which we will talk about in another video as well, because I'm trying out some of these, you know, new products. I have been combining them together and I love them together. Like, this combo makes my skin, y'all, when I'm telling you, it glows, it glows. Oh, also, before I go, I have been using this on my face and I think my face hates it because I've been breaking out so much. And it is unscented and it's a cream, so I thought that maybe because I have acne I could still use it, but no, I feel like this caused me to have more breakouts, so it doesn't work so much for my face. So I will go ahead and leave all links and information of this product down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have tried the La Roche-posay lotion or any other products, actually let me know down below which ones you use, how they work for you. I'm very curious. Do you love this lotion? Do you dislike it? All that good stuff. Let's talk about it. And with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun.